Welcome to our first Excel tutorial. In this exercise, we'll create a simple employee data table to practice data entry and basic formatting. Create headers: name, age, department, and salary. This will be the foundation of our table. Now, enter the following information under each column. For name, enter John Smith, Emma Brown, Liam Johnson, Olivia Lee, and Noah Wilson. For age, enter 30, 45, 27, 35, and 40. Under department, enter marketing, HR, IT, finance, and sales. Lastly, for salary, enter each value. Then format the headers to make the headers stand out. Select the headers row and apply bold formatting. Then, increase the font size to 14 for better visibility. Choose a light background color, like light blue, to add contrast to the headers. Make sure each column is wide enough so the text fits perfectly within each cell. You can do this by dragging the edges of each column or double-clicking between columns to auto-fit. Now that we've entered our data and formatted the headers, let's make the table look even more polished by adding borders around each cell. Great job! Now you've created a formatted table that's easy to read and professional. This practice is essential for organizing data effectively in Excel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos to help you build your skills and deepen your understanding. Thanks again for joining.